Translate and solve. Example 1. A motor is rated at 14 horsepower and is operating at 18 horsepower. 18 is what percent of 14? So let's go over how we can look at this. So we can think of, we're going to put the number of what comes after is, or what is equal to is, on the top. This will be of. This is usually the whole. This is the what. And this is equal to the percentage over 100. So let's plug in our numbers. So we have 18 is. So we're going to go ahead and place that 18 on the top of 14. So we put the 14 there. And we're looking for what percent here. So we'll just put what percent over 100. Now, in order to get what percent by itself, all we would need to do is multiply both sides by 100. Because then we get what percent all by itself. And so now, what percent is equal to 100 times 18 over 14. So when we get our calculators out, we do 100 times 18 divided by 14, and we get 128.57. as our final answer. Now let's do another example. Example 2. A resistor has a voltage drop that is 38% of the total voltage, which is 12.4 volts. 38% of 12.4 volts is what value? So for this problem, if we do is of equals percentage over 100, so let's fill this in. So we have 38%, so that would go here over 100. We have of 12.4, so that means we're looking for this. So we'll just put this as X. Now, another way we could look at doing this is we can use cross multiplication, where we'd multiply these two, the numerator on this one to the denominator of the other one across the equal sign. And then we would multiply this 12.4 times this 38. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 100 times X. So we'll just mark it like that. Then we have 12.4 times 38. Then the X by itself, we just go ahead and divide by 100 on both sides. And then we just get our calculators out. And we'd go 12.4 times 38 equals 471.2 divided by 100. And we get 4.71. So X is equal to 4.71, and we can say it's in volts.